Hi class, in this video what I want to do is I want to show you how to use Microsoft Excel to very quickly find the correlation coefficient and the regression equation. So if you look at the discussion question, it says take the Excel spreadsheet and get just the variables xt and mmnt. So choose a month and then analyze the next 61 data values, okay? So I'm actually just going to do it with all the data values, but when you go to do your discussion question, just do it with 61. All right, so it says determine the linear regression equation and the correlation coefficient. So in Excel, once you have the two columns and your 61 data values, you're just going to highlight the two columns. You're going to click Insert, and then there's all these charts over here. So if you click this one here, the one that looks like all these little dots here, this is a scatter plot. So you'll just want to click the first one here, and right there, boom, it'll put the chart on the right into Excel for you. Now the next thing you'll want to do to be able to find the linear regression equation and correlation coefficient is right click on the data on your graph here. And then there's this option that says add trend line. So then I'm going to click that add trend line. You'll look over here, now there'll be all these trend line options. We want linear. And then what we're going to do is we're going to click display equation on table. And then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to click display the r squared value on the table. So now here, this first part is your linear equation right here, this first one. So the regression equation is y is equal to 0.9226 times x minus 91.976. Now you just have to put it in terms of the variables. The independent variable here, the x variable, was mmxt, and the y is mmnt. So it's mmnt is equal to 0.9226 times the mmxt variable minus 91.976. Now the value of r, so r is the linear correlation coefficient. So what does r equal? Well, here you're given r squared, so you have to SQRT, you have to square root the value of r squared, so the square root of 0.9694. That right there is r, so you have to take the square root of r squared. All right, so this is how you do it very, very quickly and easily in Microsoft Excel, but you are more than welcome to also use StatCraft.